Sadly, the year of injuries has claimed another one, and that being Daxton Bennick. Now, if you watched the East West shootout, you saw him crash, which led to a red flag and a full restart of the race. And well, we have some updates from Yamaha posted. Quote, in his crash during the Philadelphia Supercross 250 main event, Daxton Bennick sustained a concussion. He also injured his back and has a compression fracture that will not require surgery. The North Carolina rider is working with his doctors and the team to go back to 100% as soon as possible. Obviously, this is not great considering we're, 4 rounds back or 4 rounds before the end of Supercross. You know, motocross is starting May 24th, so a little over a month from now. And if you're talking, compression fractures in the back, obviously it's the good side of things, I guess you can say, without having to require surgery. That means it's, I don't want to say good, but it's not as bad as it could have been. But Bennick himself posted on Instagram saying, quote, happy to be somewhat okay from the crash in Philly. Got cross jumped pretty hard after a bad start in the main, just trying to get through the pack. I did compression fracture a vertebrae in my back and was knocked out for a short amount of time. Me and the team are going to start working on a plan to get my recovery going and come back when I'm ready. I have a great group around me, and I want to say thanks to everyone for reaching out. Again, sucks. I mean, you never want to see anybody get injured this year, especially just there is so many of them. And again, with motocross starting, this, means for him time off the bike, time off of the championship. And when this is everyone's, or not everyone's, but this is these guys' livelihoods and lives. It sucks to see that something like this is, happening over and over and over again. But I mean, you gotta say the old adage that there's always going to be injuries in racing, and that's just true. But sadly, this year just seems to be higher than higher than average. But I don't know. Comment down below, I guess. Tell me the last 2 rounds of the East. Who do you think is going to win that title? Do you think Deegan's going to take home the West? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.